Fruit detox diet. In the 21st century, toxicity has greatly become an alarming concern. This is mainly in view with the abundance of chemicals in the environment in food products, and pollution on both air and water. Major diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular illnesses can be directly associated to the accumulation of toxic wastes in the human body. Obesity, skin and gastrointestinal problems can all be directly related to toxicity. These factors are the primary reasons detoxification is such an important process that every individual should incorporate in his or her wellness regimen. One of the best known and highly effective methods is through a fruit detox diet, and one of the most inexpensive way to detoxify. In the fruit detox diet, an individual is encouraged not to eat anything else but fruit from morning until noon, since during that particular time the human body is busy in its detoxification process from the previous night. This is why a lot of people drink fresh fruit juices early in the morning. For a more successful fruit detox diet, use acid fruits such as grapes and lemons, which has very strong detoxifying effect in comparison to all other fruit. If possible, eat 5 kinds of fruits a day, as your main meal for breakfast, and it will be enough to give you energy throughout half of the day. However, if you are ill, a fruit detox diet or any other detoxification process is certainly not advisable. This is mainly because your body is already doing serious detoxification process, and by eating fruits or drinking fruit juices will stimulate the process even more and can cause overreaction, which will make you feel even worse. There are some people who have a wrong attitude towards detoxifications. Some are impatiently demanding for fast and visible results. If you are looking for fast fixes, you will sorely be disappointed. In maintaining a healthy body, it is one-hit wonder. The best thing to do is to permanently adapt a healthier lifestyle that will produce more lasting effects. Fad diets will come and go. Whether fruit detox diet will be one of them, we can only wonder. The most important thing to keep in mind is that the years of neglect and abuse on your body will never be fixed with a month of healthy diet. There are even some damages in our body that can be irreversible. So the most efficient solution is that whether you feel you need it or not, you would need to be paying more keen attention to your food intake and work towards achieving an ideally healthy lifestyle.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.